Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I am here to talk about a brand new wallet that I received a couple of days ago. I am doing a collab with this company called imeetu. This is a wallet that is from them. It is a wallet that is multifunctional and has a keychain also. I have one here to unbox. It is nicely packaged. So it did come with a plastic film over it. So I removed the film so that the lighting wouldn't blind you all. Here I am unboxing it. And I chose the color deep purple because purple is my favorite color. So it is wrapped up in a dust bag here, a little dust bag. And look at how beautiful it is. This is a deep purple. It is genuine leather material and it is soft and durable. Convenient to carry in the palm of your hand. And it also has a keychain. But look, it also has like a gold zipper. And the hardware is also gold. And this is the keychain. You can also detach the keychain from it if you choose not to carry a keychain. And if you want to carry the wallet alone, you can carry it like this. Or if you want to use the keychain to attach keys, you can. It's right here. Attach your keys here. And then again, you can attach this on the inside of your purse so that you can easily, find your wallet. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a genuine leather wallet and it has different compartments that I will go over. And this is what it looks like on the inside. First, there will be a link in the description box down below so that you can check out the wallets for yourself. They have many colors that you can choose from, and you can learn more about their wallets. I chose deep purple. Before I put anything in this wallet, I am going to go over the details of this wallet with you. This is a decent sized wallet that you can carry in the palm of your hands. This is a 12 credit card slot wallet. It is very unfoldable so that you can place your cards here. There is also 2 slots here and here that you can put, your cash or your receipts in. And there is a keychain where you can attach it to your purse like I mentioned earlier. So the cards go here. You can either place one individually or you can place 2 cards, in each slots. So here it has a zipper here for loose change or coins, whatever you may want to put inside this zipper part. And also it has an external clear ID window with a finger groove so that you can push up your ID or your credit cards or what have you. And 2 cash slots here and here. And 1 internal zipper, which is here. And I did mention that the internal zipper pocket stores coin safely and prevents them from falling out. and the 2 cash slots storage for cash, receipts, and bills here. And what I like about this wallet, to prevent information leakage, stolen, it has an RFID blocking technology. So you can carry this in your purse and you don't have to worry about your identification being stolen or your credit cards, numbers, or what have you being stolen, because it is protected by the RFID blocking. And don't forget that it is compact size, portable use for shopping, traveling. And you also can give this as a gift. Y'all be sure to check out the link down below so that you can have an idea of the colors that you can choose from. So I'm going to go and place my credit cards in here and to show you all how it looks with the credit cards. I am back, and I also placed a couple of credit cards in this credit card wallet, and I didn't put my real identification in this ID window here because I don't want to show that on social media, because you know in these days and time people can steal your information. So I'm going to pretend that this is my identification. And it also easy to slide in, and you use this finger groove here, you know, to push up your your identification. And you also can put, you know, it can be your driver's license, it can be a credit card for easy use, you know, for easy find. So I'm going to push that back in and show you all what I stored in this wallet. I have cash here, and then I have a receipt here on this side, and then I also stored a few change, coins, or what have you. You can't put a lot, but only a few coins. And zip it back up. I have a few more empty slots here, and these are my credit cards. And you also can place one individually, or you can place two. If you have a lot of credit cards, you can place two in one slot. And it's so easily to pull out and push back in, because you don't have to pull and tug to try to remove your credit cards. That way you wouldn't have to tear nothing on the sides while placing your credit cards in each slots. So that's what I love about it. But y'all, I really love it because I can put it in my purse and I wouldn't have to have nothing to worry about, like theft or anybody scanning your purse trying to get your information. And like I mentioned before, it is RFID blocking, so it prevents your information from leakage or stolen by anyone because of the RFID blocking technology. So I'm going to zip it back up, and I am going to carry this in my purse. I'm going to attach it to my loop on the inside of my purse where I can easily find this wallet. Now, some of you guys may ask, well, where do you put your checkbook? So I have a separate wallet for my checkbook only. So I'm going to store all my credit cards and my driver's license and my banking card in this front window here for easy access. So y'all, that is it. So be sure to check out the link down below where you will get 10% off, and I will have the promotion code down there as well. So I just want to say thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope this video was very helpful. Be sure to check out the link. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.